Hello everyone, welcome to Key to IGCSE. Today, our topic is making sense of algebra. And here is practice number 3. It says, these 3 examples contain some common mistakes that students make in algebra. And let's try to take a look at the 3 examples, okay? And let's try to find what are the mistakes. Okay, number 1. It's about removing brackets, okay? So the original sentence was 3x minus bracket or parentheses x minus 2. So we have to keep something in mind. The signs inside parentheses must change when adding or removing the parentheses after a subtraction sign. So look at the parentheses, and in front of it, it's a subtraction sign. So you have to change the x minus 2 into x plus 2, okay, after removing the parentheses. So you cannot leave it like the original one, okay? Instead, you have to do what? Of course, change it, okay, just like this. And then after simplification, it's 2x plus 2. All right? Very good. Let's move on to example 2. So the original sentence was 3 multiplied by the bracket x plus 4 over 5. So in here, it's about multiplying fractions, okay? So how can we do that? Well, some people, when multiplying fraction by a whole number, they tend to multiply the numerator and the denominator at the same time by this whole number, which is wrong. So you only multiply the numerator, but not both of them, okay? So the wrong one was 3 multiplied by bracket x plus 4 over 3 multiplied by 5, which is not acceptable, okay? So what you have to do is to multiply only the numerator, all right? And after simplification, it's going to be 3x plus 12 over 5, and this is correct. All right, let's move on to example 3. It's about simplifying fractions, okay? So the original one was x plus 2 over 2. Some people may see this as, hey, addition, maybe it's equivalent as multiplication. Well, it is not the case, okay? So we can say, hey, it's not equal to 2 times x, okay? It's only x plus 2. It cannot be equivalent in both cases, okay? And in some other cases, people will tend to say, hey, x plus 2 divided by 2, maybe it's a subtraction, like this? Well, no. Division is division. It's not subtraction. You cannot see the fraction as a simple subtraction relation. All right? So how can we do that? Well, when we're dealing with this, we can use distributive property because it can be used in the case of division, where divided by a number, for example 2, can be seen as multiplied by its reciprocal, 1 over 2. For example, we can do something like this, okay? So x plus 2 over 2, we can separate x and 2 in the numerator and separately multiply by 1 over 2. Okay? It's just like distributive property application. So the final result will be x over 2 plus 1. Have you got this correct? Very good.